Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Carson, Meredith, and the WAAY 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Classic summertime weather in North Alabama. That was the storyline today. It was hot, of course, humid. That's the perfect recipe for those pop-up showers and storms during the afternoon. But as you look at the WAAY 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, just after 6 o'clock, things are starting to quiet down very nicely. We did have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings earlier today. Actually had a couple of power poles knocked down near Priceville along Alabama 67. Putting things into motion, this is going all the way back to around lunchtime today. We had a little boundary set up here between Fayetteville and Huntsville along 231 that kind of set off the initial showers and thunderstorms earlier today, and all that thunderstorm activity progressed to the west. Not all that often we're talking about storms moving to the west. That's exactly what we saw earlier today. Really all we're tracking right now is this one tiny little downpour along US 43 near St. Joseph, Tennessee there in southern Lawrence County, Tennessee. This might make its way in far northern Lauderdale County in the next 15 to 30 minutes, but it's just a brief downpour. Not expecting any concerns with that particular shower right now. Also keeping a close eye on this thunderstorm in Marshall County, Tennessee. This is well off to our north for the time being, but if it holds together, it'll move off to the south and west in the next, let's say, 30 to 45 minutes. So if you're near Boones Hill in far western Lincoln County, just keep that in mind. Could see some heavy downpours and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, that is, as we go through the next hour or so. There's a look right now at the WAAY 31 Skycam network. Thankfully, we had all those showers and storms to keep us a little bit cooler today, but it's still muggy out there, obviously. 75 in Huntsville, 79 out in the Shoals, 77 degrees in Guntersville right now, and 75 in Decatur. So if you're heading out and about this evening, not too bad out there. Obviously, it's going to stay warm and muggy, of course. Keep that umbrella nearby just to be safe, but I really think that rain coverage is starting to taper off for the night. We'll keep that 20% chance in the forecast through sunset, and then just a tiny 10% chance for a spotty sprinkle going through the evening and overnight hours tonight. Looking ahead to tomorrow on future radar, we have one more day of this hot, muggy, and stormy weather too. All quiet when you wake up at 7 o'clock Sunday morning. Now notice this data source really doesn't develop any thunderstorms until around 3 or 3:30 tomorrow afternoon. But this data source and many other data sources did the exact same thing today, and we had storms around 11 o'clock this morning. So I'd say from around lunchtime onward tomorrow. Just be weather aware for additional pop-up showers and storms once again. Then we'll lose that coverage as the sun goes down tomorrow night. And finally, we start to dry things out as a high pressure takes control of our weather patterns starting Monday and going all the way through at least most of this upcoming work week. But again, it's going to be another hot day tomorrow. Here's your Sunday day planner. Temperature starting off very mild, 72 degrees at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we're heading for the low 90s with those actual air temperatures once again. But again, when you factor in that humidity, it is going to feel much, much hotter. Some heat index values today peaked in the lower triple digits, especially in northwest Alabama, where it took a while for those showers and storms to arrive. And look at your feels like forecast tomorrow by noon. Yeah, feeling more like 99 at Florence tomorrow afternoon, 99 in Athens, 96 in Decatur and Huntsville. And then we might have a few of those spotty showers and storms give us a little bit of relief. But even so, once you get towards 8 o'clock tomorrow night, it's still going to feel like the mid 80s and still feeling like the upper 70s when you wake up on Monday morning. But the good news is the humidity starts to move out on Monday and we stay sunny but seasonably warm, temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90. And once we get past tomorrow, our next rain chance, that arrives next Saturday.